So I was complaining about my LED lights. I felt like they were outdated and they weren't bright enough. So these guys at RX8 saw me complaining and they sent me one of their LED lights. Shout out to them. Let's do a little unboxing. So we got these LED lights. I believe they're is it low beam or high beam? I can't remember. Wow. What LED company sends you gloves to handle their LED lights? That's crazy. I am impressed. They look like really good quality. Wow. Real metal, it's not plastic. Got some weight to it. Look very futuristic. Hopefully they're really brighter than the ones I got. So yeah, it's like metal. Got a little cooling system. All right, let me test these bad boys out. But yeah, huge thanks to the guys over there at RX8 LED lights. Let's see what these bad boys could do. So yeah, as I was saying, let's try these bad boys out. Don't mind my big ass alternator. It gets in the way sometimes. So let's see. It's definitely plug and play. Easy installation. All you do is plug it up right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Snap, snap. And then you take the LED and put in a socket. Empty socket right there. Bam, bam. Quick comparison. Bam, bam. Bam, bam. All right, old one out. In with the new one. Might struggle a little bit. I'm gonna do this with my eyes closed. Wiggle it in there. I have to cut this short. All right, thing is in there. Turn it to lock it. Bam, it's locked in. Bam, bam. Tuck that in there real nicely. Bam, bam. Let's test these bad boys out. 3, 2, 1. All right, that's low beam. That's low beam. High beam. God damn. Shit. Stupid bright. Stupid bright. Easy installation, less than 10 minutes. Plug and play. Highly recommend. Thank you guys. RX8 LED lights. Thank you guys. Appreciate y'all. Highly recommend. I'm gonna put their link down below so you guys can grab you some. Right there. RX8 LED lights. Tap in, tap in. High quality. Perfect fitment. Literally took me less than 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna order me some low beam ones too, because I like the fitment and quality. Alright, so I'm super happy with these lights. Super bright. Thanks again to my friends over there at RX8 LED lights. Appreciate you guys for sending me these lights. Super happy with the installation and the product. Easy fitment. I didn't have to rewire nothing. Plug and play.